What do you usually do at the weekend? Do you go to the cinema with friends? Watch TV with your family? Or surf the internet? Do you go shopping? Do you stay at home at the weekend?
Hello? Right. What time shall we meet?
Or do you visit new places? How about last weekend? Did you have a good weekend? What did you do last weekend?
Last weekend I went to the movies.
Who did you go with?
I went with my boyfriend.
When did you go?
I went on Saturday morning.
What did you do last weekend?
I went shopping.
What did you buy?
I bought food.
Who did you go with?
I went by myself.
What did you do last weekend?
I travelled.
Where did you go?
I went to Galway.
Where's Galway?
Galway is in the west of Ireland.
How did you travel?
I travelled by car.
Who did you go with?
I went with my family
How long did you stay?
for the weekend.
Did you have a good weekend? Did you get up early and go out? Or did you get up late and have a big breakfast? Did you cook a meal at home? Or did you go out for a meal in a restaurant?
With fries or salad?
What did you eat?
And for you? Can I have cheesy garlic bread, please?
Did you watch sport? Or did you play sport? What sport did you play? What did you do last weekend? What did you do last weekend?
I went out for dinner.
Who did you go with?
My friends Carl and Layla.
What did you eat?
I ate a curry and rice.
Did you stay out late?
No, I didn't.
Did you have a good time?
Yes, I did.
What did you do last weekend?
I went cycling last weekend.
Who did you go with?
I went with my girlfriend.
Where did you go?
I went to the seaside.
Did you see your friends?
Yes, I did.
Did you have fish and chips?
Yes, I did.
Did you swim in the sea?
No, I didn't.
Did you stay in a hotel?
No, I didn't.
What did you do last weekend?
I went to an art gallery.
Who did you go with?
My boyfriend?
Did you go out on Saturday night?
Yes, I did.
Did you go to the cinema?
No, I didn't.
Did you go out with friends?
Yes, I did.
Did you stay out late?
No, I didn't.
What did you do last weekend?
I played tennis.
Who did you play with?
I played with my friend.
Where did you play?
We played in the park.
Did you go out in the evening?
No, I didn't.
Did you have a good weekend?
Yes, I did.